Hello mga sir, kamusta? Gusto niyo na bang mag-apply at wala pa kayong resume at hindi niyo alam kung paano gawin to? Pues, ituturo ko sa inyo at libre to. Open your Google browser and then search for resume using AI. Then look for resume.co and then click build my resume. Then, if you have already a draft for your resume, you can click I already have a resume. If not, just start from scratch. Then, fill out all the information. So, for example, sir, my last name is Astro, and then inside job is technician. And then, you wanna add photo if you want. So, I will skip that for a while. And I'll click show some details. So, you can put all your information here. Nationality, Filipino. Driver license 1 2 3 4 5 6 for example, and date of the birth. For example, my date of birth is okay. Let's try a 2025. Okay, yeah, you set that. Then next, so you can add your email address, sir astro.com for example. Then my phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then my country is Philippines. And then sorry for my spelling. Here's that. City, okay, I will choose Bacolod City. Address 1 2 3 4 5 Bacolod. This one is 6 1 example, and then click next. So this is the professional summary. You can so there is a recommended summary, so you can click this. You can use the recommended professional summary. Just click use, then click next. So if you have an employment history, so you can add in this section. So my previous is okay, technician also, and then my company is, for example, Apple, and then I started, for example, yeah, that's it, 2010. See, present, for example. So location is in Laguna. And then, so you can write your job description here. So you can click also you can click this part, and you can click this. So kung meron na kayong job title talaga sa current job nyo or sa previous job nyo, pwede nyong ilagay dyan. So pagkatapos nyan, just click next, then choose your skills. So I will check problem solving, leadership, and I think critical thinking. So it depends on you. Next, my university. So I will click, for example, Harvard University as an example. So my degree is engineering, for example, engineering. Yes, in engineering or what, something. So just fill out all the information. Start date. So let's see. Check if it is. Let's check 2025 or 2029. 10. Let's check. Save. And in 4 years. Okay. Okay, let's see. June. Save. Then location, you can set your information here. For example, Harvard, LA. So, wala no? Kahit saan dyan, basta example lang naman. Okay. Next, kung mayroon ka pong honor, so you can add in this section, pero tayo wala pa tayong ganun. Next, additional, you can also add additional links or additional option here if you want. Then click next. So, taran! Meron na po kayong resume. So, kung nakikita nyo po, may iba-ibang format. So, pag meron na po kayong ganyan, download nyo lang po. So, ganun lang po kadali paggawa ng resume using AI. Yun lang po, kadali maggawa ng resume. So, kung meron naman po kayong application, direct hire papunta dito sa Canada, so, ang gawin nyo lang po ay i-transfer yung data na yon na ginawa nyo sa resume.co o manually papunta sa Canadian format. So, ito po yung Canadian format. So, pinagkaiba lang po ng Canadian format sa ordinary na resume na ginagamit natin sa Pilipinas ay wala po itong mga personal information. So, kagaya ng gender, religion, height, weight, picture. So, mga ganun po. So, dito kasi gusto nila na ma-highlight yung skills nyo at saka qualification nyo. Hindi yung kung ano yung height nyo, ano yung gender nyo, ano yung religion nyo. So, hindi po ganun dito. So, i-transfer nyo na lang po manually sa ganyan format. Yun lang po. Thank you and God bless.